What up, what up, what up, world? It's ANZD back at you. What's going on? Hope everybody's doing fine. Enjoying the day. We're blessed with another day. So in this video, I'm coming back at you guys because I'm going to start doing some more videos of ways that you can make money from home, ways that you can make money from online things, online platforms, and just some side hustles, because the way things is going right now, right? We living in some crazy times. We living in a crazy world right now. It's a lot of chaotic things that's going on, a lot of unprecedented events that's happening. We got inflation, deflation, cost per living, CPI data. Inflation is like up, job market is down, people can't find jobs and things like that. So we're gonna start discussing different ways of how we can increase our income other than just working the 9 to 5. So in this video right here, I don't want to make it too long, but I'm just going to go across some information that I have, some information that I researched, some stuff that I have that, I've been going through my notes and I've been trying to figure out how people can make some extra money, including myself, because that's the main reason why I'm doing it, because I'm trying to find different ways of making some extra money, because just working one job, just a regular, your 9 to 5 or whatever kind of job you got, maybe you have a career and you can do well, but if you just have like a regular 9 to 5 job, we're trying to avoid living check to check. We're trying to avoid being in debt a couple days after we get paid. We're trying to avoid not having any money on a Tuesday, right? You get paid on a Friday, but then by Tuesday come, all the bills is taken care of, all the disposable income is out the window. I'm trying to figure out different ways of creating some more income, some more revenue, where we can have more money in our wallets, more money in our bank account. So I'm gonna go across some information. We're gonna talk about some realistic side hustles. realistic. All right, sometimes my pronunciation be off, but it is what it is, right? So we're gonna go across some, what's that, realistic side hustles, right? Even if you have a 9 to 5. And talking about hustles, I'm seeing somebody that I kind of have words with a couple days ago. She's, I don't want to say she's not doing too well, but financially it seems like she's not doing too well. So she gets her hustling. She's doing a wide variety of things. She got her jewelry. She makes jewelry, so sometimes she'll set up jewelry on like a jewelry booth on the side of streets like that, and then she go ahead and she make the jewelry while she set up. So I just saw her in a distance, so I just want to big her up and things like that. I hope she gets some blessings and some more positive energy her way, where she could probably even send some more of her jewelry, make ways. So that's even one side hustle right there. You have to find something that you're good at, develop your skills, and use your skills to be able to monetize your skill, whatever you do. Maybe you're a healthy person, a big person, a person that can, lift a lot of weights, a lot of big furniture. Maybe you can get involved with moving and helping people move their products, especially like senior citizens. A lot of seniors need help with these things, but that's a whole nother video. We're going to talk about some realistic side hustles that you can do, even if you're working a 9 to 5, working a part-time job, whatever you have. I'm going to talk about some realistic side hustles, and you can do this by, being from home. You can do it. We're going to talk about some stuff that you can do from home. Right? We can talk about stuff that you can do from home, stuff that you can do remotely, stuff that you can do on your tablets, whatever you have, right? So let's get into it. You can do some of these things from home, and we're going to talk about things that should take about less than 3 to 4 hours. So it shouldn't be no more than 4 hours a day, taking out part of your day, like 3 to 4 hours of your day. And it's not going to be anything exhausting, the physical activities like I was just talking about. Like, you can get a side hustle. You can help people move furniture, move things into storage, out of storage, whatever like that. But we're not going to talk about anything too physical that's going to be like exhausted physically or anything like that, right? And we're also not going to be talking about things that will make you rich. We're not going to talk about anything that going to be making you rich. I'm not no gatekeeper or anything to get extra income. I'm telling you things that I've done, things that I've came across that help me generate extra income, help me to put extra money in my bank account, in my pockets, in my wallet, outside of the 9 to 5. Because you got your 9 to 5, so you got your necessities, you got your bills, all of that should be taken care of. So we're going to get into some of these side hustles that you can do, realistic side hustles that you can do even if you have a 9 to 5, right? And we want to talk about, we want to be too strenuous, not too much physical activities. We want to have it like 3 to 4 hours. You can do it from home or mobile, on the go, even from the library or something like that. a computer center, a community center, something like that, right? So the first one, first side hustle I'm going to talk about, and you probably heard about this, but it's called Medium, medium.com. Now, medium.com is a blogging site, and it's a lot of information on there, a lot of different things that you can come across. But basically, people pay for subscriptions to be able to access some of the information on the Medium site. And you can have bloggers, you can have celebrity bloggers, influencers, creators. A variety of vloggers are on Medium, and they're giving their knowledges, their expertise, advices. Some blogs are like ebooks, some blogs are like courses in itself. But I think the subscription is like $5. Well, it's different subscription, but I think the main one is like $5 a month, like that. So you have people sign up for the subscription, and then you have people who are creators who create these blogs, who make blogs on these platforms, create an account, be able to blog on the Medium blog website. And what happened is, when these people pay for their subscription and they're reading these different blogs, what happened is a percentage of the subscription goes to these bloggers, right? I'm not sure, don't give me the quote on how much, I can't really tell you, but a percentage, probably like 10% or something like that, of the subscription from their subscription account go to the creators, go to the bloggers on Medium. So people are able to earn different money off of different topics. So say if you even just publishing maybe one blog a week, that's about what, 4 blogs, what was it, 4 blogs a month? What they said is like, what, 56 weeks in a year, something like that. So you can have like 56 blogs that's up. That's basically getting you paid passive income, because you already did the work, you already published, and it's just up. So when people go to your blog and they read it, then you get a percentage of the subscription fee. So that's one way, is creating a Medium account and become a Medium blogger. Medium blog. Just go Google it, Medium blog website, and see what it's about, right? So you can go in there, create an account, and become a creator, a content creator doing blogs, right? And then you can get paid off of your blogs. I've done this, but from a different platform, where we was blogging. We was blogging often. We was trying to blog at least once a day, sometimes even more. We're putting our content out there, and when people come and they read your content, they see different information, you get a percentage of the commission from the platform. And then some platforms, you're able to put in an affiliate link, your referral link, so you can even generate extra income off of that kind of source, right? So let's go to side hustle number 2. Side hustle number 2, and I'm going to talk about Chef Cook, SHEF, cookmeals.com. So say if you're a chef or you like to cook and your meals is good and everything like that, people enjoy your food, what you could do, you can become a chef in your local area. So Chef Cook meals locally and sells it to the community. And you say if you're in a small community, big community, whatever kind of community it is, you can go to chefcook.com, right? I think it's that Chef Cook? Basically, and it's a community where people like your food. So you publish your food, you know what kind of food you're making, and you go on, anyone can register. You can sell food to the community. The only thing, though, you have to get some food certificate. Make sure that you know the cleanliness of preparing food. You know how to keep the cooking area clean. You know how to keep meats away from vegetables, or cook meats away from raw meat. That kind of stuff where you don't want people to get sick, right? So they put you through the food safety certification, and you have to get the food safety certification. I think it's 2 of them. And then you're going to create your own menus, whatever kind of food you have to offer to the community, and then create a schedule of when these meals are available. Maybe you want to wake up early in the morning and cook meals. You want to cook some meals for lunch. So you say, okay, this is what's on the menu for lunch, and the schedule for lunch will be between 12 o'clock and 1:30, right? And what you're going to do, you cook these meals, you prepare the meals, you cook the meals, you package them up, and you bring it to a certain hub. Now, people order these meals, and what happened is the hub now have people that's going to go out and deliver these meals. So you don't even really have to be delivering it yourself. Basically, prepare the meal. Well, prepare your menu, prepare the meal, have a schedule of when the meal is going to be ready, and then you have it dropped off at the hub, and then people can deliver these. I'm like, yo, this is side gigs is getting even crazier and crazy, especially with technology. Like, so say you enjoyed a certain person cooking and they don't have a restaurant, nothing like that. They can get on this chef cook. They can cook these different meals, prepare the meals. You know, you got these different meal preparing sites and everything like that where they send you out, sometimes be frozen and all that stuff. This right here, it be, well, I don't want to say it guarantee that it'd be fresh, but it's most likely will be a fresh meal, freshly prepared. You don't have to worry about having to put it in the oven or nuking it too much or anything like that. Maybe just warm it up a little bit, right? So we're gonna check that out. If you're a chef or if you like to cook, go ahead and check that out. Get your certificate, create your account, create your schedule, have your menu ready, and start preparing your meals and try it out. You know, see if it's available in your area for one, and then go ahead and try it out. Right? See what you can make off of that. Side hustle number 3. Let's get into side hustle number 3. And I think I discussed this on another video before. I'm not sure. Maybe it was something else in this term. But this one is friendwitha.com. So side hustle 3 is friendwitha.com. So it's going to be peer-to-peer rentals. So you know how you can go to Facebook and people be selling stuff or giving away some stuff. This platform, basically, you're going to be able to rent equipments, tools, different kind of stuff. Basically, just renting equipments from a friend. Well, it's not your really friend, but people are publishing these equipment that you have. Say you need a lawnmower, and one of these people, they have extra lawnmowers, so now they're going to be renting it out. So peer-to-peer. Even that could be a side hustle. Say you know some people that needs their lawn cut, or they need their lawn cleaned up. They got leaf blowers and all that stuff, but you don't have no leaf blower, but you need to get a leaf blower in order to get this hustle on. What you could do now is go to friendwitha.com, rent these equipments, right? Sign up, rent these equipments, and then you'll be able to do the side hustle. Now, if you are a person who have extra equipment, extra lawnmower, extra leaf blower, extra power washer, and some people are out there and they need these things, what you can do now, you go onto this platform, you sign up, you create an account, and basically you list whatever gears and equipment that you have, and people can come on there and rent it. They also offer insurance. So say if you don't have insurance on your equipment, insurance on your tools, on your product, or whatever you have, tools and equipment, right? That's what we're dealing with. Say if you don't have insurance, then friendwitha.com also have access to insurance. So you can be able to have insurance, have some equity, because you have a peace of mind knowing that your tools and equipment are insured. So you probably don't have to worry about people messing it up. Well, you probably still do, but at least that you know that it's insured. It won't come back to you broken. If it do come back to you broken, it's insured. You could probably replace it or get another one or get it fixed, right? Side hustle number 4. And I really didn't want to make this video that long, but I'm trying to reduce it, right? Side hustle number 4. And you probably heard about it before. I probably spoke about it before, but I'm going to speak about it more and more because I see more and more people are doing this, and they're creating passive income. They're creating a residual income, and there's some people are out there getting themselves out of debt and creating financial freedom. And I'm talking about selling digital products, and you can sell these digital products on Etsy. You can sell these different digital product, like say if you have a digital ebook, digital course or something like that, you can sell them on Gumroad, Payhip, and like I said, Etsy, etc., other places like that. Etsy is a good place to sell it, but the commission is kind of limited. Well, not limited, but they basically take a nice piece out of your commission, but it's still a good place. Say if you have some digital products, you have a digital ebook, or you have some digital checklist or different kind of things like that, you can go ahead and publish it and sell these digital products. That's my next money move right there. Get more involved with these digital products. Been working on some courses, haven't really put them out there, but I think I'm just gonna start putting these courses out there, and you just base it off of knowledge that you already got, things that you already know about, some things that you learn in life, you know, instead of acquiring these experiences. Instead of creating knowledge, you can monetize it and be able to do something about it. So don't just have your experiences. You're taking tasks, you're doing tasks, and you're learning these different things, and you're experiencing different things in life, don't let it just accumulate and let it be knowledge. Like, do something with it and put it out there, right? Find a way to monetize it. Now, side hustle number 5, one of my favorites. It's been one of my favorites for years because side hustle number 5, anybody can do it, I think. Not everybody can do it, but anybody can do it, right? And I think it's one of the best ways online to make money, and that's affiliate marketing. You probably heard about it before, affiliate marketing, referral marketing, however they want to categorize it or call it. But affiliate marketing is basically being a middleman. You're telling people about other products or platform or gear or whatever thing that you're promoting. You tell people about it. You can use it on social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, whichever way like that. You can sign up for Amazon. Amazon have an affiliate program. Walmart has an affiliate program. Best Buy has an affiliate program. Almost any website, any stores or anything like that that you probably already involved with, more than likely they already have a website and they have an affiliate program with that website. A lot of platforms offer affiliate program. A lot of companies offer affiliate program. And if you can't find a website or anything like that that are off affiliate programs, there are also how can I say this? Agencies, affiliate agencies. You can become a member of the affiliate agencies, and whichever companies that's within that agency, then you can go ahead and promote it. Like, for example, well, it's not really an agency, but I'm an affiliate with Expedia.com. But other than Expedia.com, I also get to be an affiliate with Hotels.com, Expedia.com. It's 2 other websites that's basically linked to Expedia.com. So I don't even have to have any accounts with those websites. I can just go through my Expedia.com, and even if I'm promoting something from Hotels.com or whichever way, I think the other one was Booking.com. Whichever way I'm going to go about promoting it, I can do it through Expedia. So that's just one way. Like, number 5, that's just one way of how you can do affiliate marketing, which is the number 5 hustle on how you can make some extra money, how you can make some realistic money by doing these realistic side hustles, even if you have a 9-to-5, right? So affiliate marketing, number 5, one of my favorites because anybody can do it. Not everybody can do it, but almost anybody can do it. And you don't have to have any big startup costs. Basically, I just have to have an email, access to a smart device, tablet, laptop, whatever, your phone, and sign up to these affiliate programs and start promoting. You can promote it on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and you can start building an email list and promote it to your email list. So once again, it's AZD. I hope y'all got some value out of this. I'm gonna start doing some more, man, because we got to get some extra money in our pockets so we can start investing, so we can reach our financial freedom, so we can do better in life, so we can give back, so we can help out others that's not able to do what we can do, right? And maybe somebody out there lost a job, or you're in between job, or you got laid off. Maybe some of these things can work for you. So once again, it's AZD. Hit that like button, share with others, hit that subscribe button. I'll talk to you later. Peace.